So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a homemade Horlicks protein powder. So to make this, we are going to need wheat and barrel. These two grains are so important. If you don't have wheat, you can decide to use barrel. So in this video, I'll be using only wheat. Feel free to use the two. But if you don't have the two, you can use any one that you have. So I'll start by washing the wheat. So when I'm done washing the wheat, I'm going to add water and leave it to soak for about 8 hours or overnight. After soaking it, I'm going to remove the water. So at this stage, the wheat is ready to make a spout. So I'll add the soaked wheat into the sieve. You can also use cotton cloth, then cover it and keep it in a warm place. You can also keep this in your basket. The reason why we keep this in a warm place, it will make it to germinate in less time. But if it is in a cold place, it will take longer. So after about 48 hours, you can notice that the wheat has sprouted and it doesn't have any smell. So you can air dry this before I will toast. So for this Horlicks, I'll be using almond nuts, 1 tablespoon. I'll also use cashew nuts. I will use walnuts. Please feel free to use any nut of your choice. So I'm going to toast the sprout wheat on a low heat. I'll be stirring this from time to time until when you have noticed that the wheat has turned golden brown. You can remove it and allow it to cool. So when the wheat have toasted properly, I'm going to remove and set aside. So I will be adding the nuts, which are almond nuts, cashew nuts, and walnut. So I'm going to toast them for at least 3 minutes on a low heat. So after toasting the nut for about 3 minutes, I'm going to remove and allow to cool. So when the nut has cooled, I'm going to add them into the blender and blend into a fine powder. So after blending, I'm going to use a sieve to remove any chunks. This homemade Horlicks protein powder can be stored for up to 1 month in airtight container, and whenever you want to use, please make sure that you are using dry spoon to scoop it out. Horlicks is a healthy and nutritious protein powder that you can add to your smoothie, to your yogurt, to your cereal, or you can add it to your milk. Horlicks protein powder contains a lot of nutrients. It has protein, fiber, omega-3, and so many other nutrients. There are a lot of health benefits of sprouts grains. It has more nutrients like iron, vitamin C, zinc, magnesium, protein, and less starch. They are also easy to digest. I hope that you'll try making this at home. And if you do, I would like to hear your feedback. Thank you all for watching.